So hey, hi, and welcome to my studio. I'm back up here and working on my Twisted Tale altered book. So I gathered materials yesterday and I will show them to you, and I have all kinds of fun things that I want to show you that I did with an old library book. Again, libraries are valuable. And used an old home organizer that I had handy. And so let's get with it. No more talking, but doing, creating. Let's go. So I took a book, and it just so happened to be a dollhouse book. Who knew? And it had some really great illustrations in it. I want to do my own because I had done a painting of the story. So I took apart this book. I don't know where I'm going with it. I'm just playing with it as I go. And removed all the pages. And like I said, I kept some of the pages that were really cool, had some awesome ideas in it. And I put those aside, cut the boards off the book, and I'm using, so it's going to be like a pop-up book, like a doll puppet book, and so I'm using this fun organizer, and I had some old newsletters in there, and they would store inside the pocket, and I thought this is a great beginning to what I'm going to do. So here we are. I've got my home organizer that I showed you. I'm pulling out material. I have the old library book that happened to be about dollhouses. So I cut the panel of the cover on that, and I've got this story set up in 7 actions, 7 scenes. And the first one is where the problem is introduced, and it's the gate of the forest. The children go have their picnic. They take the path to the witch's house, and here is the witch's house, and they go inside. So this is really rough. A lot of trim work, a lot of covering, so this is just the early stages. Then you've got the panel that comes down inside the house. The action begins, and you see we've got this area for text, we've got this for art, and it's kind of neat. This book has like a canvas feel, but I'm probably going to cover that. And then this really cool, I'm going to zoom in on this really cool piece of cardboard that was packing for my router. And this is going to be the oven. And I think it's kind of funny because it looks like a shirt. Oh, how lucky! And then this, of course, the chimney, and then these will be rocks. And then I have the handy pocket. And what is going to go in that handy pocket? I'm going to have to shorten this, but the story and will come out and span across the page. So let me show you again. I'm going to have the spoon shortened and have a scroll of the story, and you will pull it out and then read the story. So these are my plans. Have no idea how it's going to work out, but this is going to be fun. I wanted to take a dark tale and add a little light to it and make it fun and active. And it's only that wide, so I've got to get all my scenes and everything in there. So here I go. Hey. So you just saw the first week. It was actually a couple of days to work on that. It was a lot of work. But as you can see, it's really turning into a book. So I have to take the poem that I wrote and my story, the one that I twisted, and I have to get that ready so I can get the text put in. But the next video, I'm going to be covering the illustrations. And even though some of the features of the book act as illustrations, we still need our characters and our little pop-ups. And so we've got our trio of characters, protagonists and antagonists. So, and in Hansel and Gretel, you have two protagonists. Although the little brother's a little bit sneaky in this one, so sister takes care of him. I have some grandkids like that. No, just kidding. But anyway, I've got some stuff over here on my drawing table. Come look at. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and subscribe. But to subscribe so you can win the super awesome summertime camper book art. It really is a book. So get out and get creative and find your story.